So guys, now on our Swiss franc to our JPY. By the way, let's sit on our daily time frame. We can see our price on a we are on a bullish move on our Swiss retracement, a bullish move again. I'm going to see it as a retracement key level area here. We can see that our price actually wants to start giving us a downward trend, but I don't believe it will have that downward trend yet. So I am taking it as a key level area here, whereby our price actually gets this retracement. As you can see here, a push up, right? We saw a retracement here. So this is another key level here which I have just highlighted. Except our price tends to break below it and roll down, then I will believe we are on a downward trend. But apart from that, if it does not, then we are still on an uptrend with this our Swiss franc. So on my daily time frame, I've highlighted a key level here, and what I am looking for on this my Swiss franc is actually a bullish move from here on my daily time frame. Now let's see it from our JPY index. By the way, and we analyze this by pair. You can see it on daily time frame. We were on a bullish move. We add this retracements, we add this bullish move. Now we add this retracement where our price broke our previous lower higher highs. This was our previous higher highs, and our price broke above it. Now we add this retracement, right? We add another higher highs, we're breaking our previous higher highs here. We can see it here, right? Around the previous higher highs, we broke above it, and now our price wants to start giving us a retracement, and we will be seeing that retracement to come to this our key level area here which we just highlighted. We can see our price opens bearish, and the next day, which is on the 8th, we are trying to analyze our price movements. We should still be going bearish and closing bearish, as you can see. So we are still aiming on a downward on our Swiss franc to our JPY. On that we are still aiming on our JPY index. Sorry, we are still aiming for a fall on our JPY index. Now on our Swiss franc JPY, as our JPY index will be falling, any where we are trading our JPY to should actually be rising. Now on our Swiss franc to our JPY, we should be seeing that rise movement, a rising movement on this our Swiss franc to our JPY. So that is it, Swiss franc to our JPY, aiming to go bullish. Now let's see if I think I will be taking my trade if my price can break this previous, will I call it a lower lows, our previous lower highs. Yes, so I will be taking it as an uptrend move, a bullish move, a pullback anywhere. So if my price can break above this my previous higher highs, then it is a legitimate time to actually take our buy. So once we take our, that should at least remain, that should, if we can break our previous higher highs, then a legitimate area to take our buy. It depends on how you want to trade it, but I personally, this is how I will be trading my own. If my price breaks my previous higher highs, still a good area to actually take our buy. So see our price still trying to range. Let's wait for it to break our previous higher highs to take our buy position. So that is my analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you very much.